What if I told you the reason you feel tired every morning has nothing to do with how many hours you sleep? You can sleep for 8 hours, even 9 hours, and still wake up feeling exhausted, heavy, and unmotivated. And on the other hand, some people sleep less but wake up fresh, focused, and full of energy. So what's the difference? What are they doing differently that you're not? The answer is simple, but most people completely ignore it. It's not about sleeping more, it's about sleeping deeper. And once you fix your deep sleep, everything in your life starts to change. Your focus improves, your mood improves, your energy skyrockets. And the best part? You don't need supplements, pills, or expensive gadgets. You just need to fix a few simple habits. Let's first understand the real problem. Most people think sleep is just about closing your eyes and resting. But sleep is actually a complex process happening inside your brain. Your body goes through different sleep stages every single night. Light sleep, REM sleep, and the most important one, deep sleep. This is the stage where your body repairs itself. Your muscles recover, your immune system strengthens, and your brain clears out waste and resets. This is why deep sleep is the most important part of your night. But here's the problem. Most people barely get enough deep sleep, and they don't even realize it. They think they slept enough, but their body didn't recover. That's why they wake up tired, feel lazy throughout the day, and struggle to focus on even simple tasks. And over time, this affects everything. Your productivity drops, your mood becomes unstable, and your motivation disappears. So now the real question is, what is destroying your deep sleep? Let's start with the biggest mistake. Using your phone before bed. The blue light from your screen tricks your brain. It tells your brain that it's still daytime and delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall into deep sleep. So even if you sleep, you don't sleep deeply. Now that you understand the problem, let's fix it step by step. Fix number 1, remove screens before sleep. Your phone is the biggest enemy of deep sleep. So create a simple rule. No screens at least 30 minutes before bed. This allows your brain to naturally prepare for sleep and helps melatonin release properly. Fix number 2. Keep a fixed sleep schedule. Go to bed at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every morning. Your body loves consistency, and consistency improves deep sleep quality. Fix number 3. Control your lights. Bright lights at night confuse your brain, so dim your lights in the evening. This signals your brain that it's time to rest. Fix number 4. Optimize your room. Your sleep environment matters more than you think. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. This creates the perfect condition for deep sleep. Fix number 5. Get sunlight in the morning. Natural light resets your body clock and improves your sleep at night. Fix number 6. Avoid caffeine late. Caffeine stays in your system for hours and blocks deep sleep even if you fall asleep. Fix number 7. Calm your mind before bed. Your body can't sleep if your mind is racing. So slow down. Take deep breaths. Relax your body. You can also write your thoughts down. This clears your mind and reduces stress. Fix number 8. Move your body during the day. Physical activity improves deep sleep naturally, but avoid intense workouts right before bed because that keeps your body alert. All these habits may look simple, but together they create powerful results, and slowly your sleep transforms. Now let's see what happens when you fix your sleep. When your deep sleep improves, you wake up feeling fresh without alarms. Your energy feels natural, not forced. You don't need multiple coffees. Your focus becomes sharper. You think clearly and make better decisions. Your mood improves. You feel more positive and more in control of your life. This is the power of deep sleep, and most people completely ignore it. But now you know the truth, and you can use it. So start small. Tonight, remove your phone before bed. Fix your sleep timing and relax your mind. You don't need to be perfect. You just need consistency, because small habits create big results, and better sleep creates a better life. So don't ignore your sleep. Fix it, because everything starts there. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs better sleep and start your journey today. Your energy, your focus, your life, it all depends on how well you sleep. Start tonight, stay consistent, and watch everything change.